Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I will going to show you how to install Windows 11 in machine with incompatible hardware, TPM and CPU. So let's start. We are going to search bar. You search it. That is Registry Editor. Open. Go to Heki local machine. Open it. Go to system. From the system, click the system, and from these many options, click to setup. From the setup, also more setup. After completion of that, you also come to change this one to rename it. You rename it here. Then the rename. So we rename. Let me show you from the notepad. You write allow upgrade with unsupported TPM slash CPU or you write here or CPU. After completed, you just press here default, change the value. If it is 0, you change to 1 and press OK. How to complete such that? Go to browser, or if you have not downloaded Windows 11, go to browser, download Windows 11. In this area, this part where it can check your machine, the type of your machine, if it is G3 or if it is G6, to compatibility and also the hardware. So this is a part that gives you the assistant of it. So we go to create Windows installation media. This is a area where you can use to install that software Windows 11. For me, I have also done it. I can show you. I have also download Windows 11. It is here. So if you are seeing that it is time to complete installation or downloading the Windows 11 from the browser, you can just right click here and mount. The mount will direct you, and also if you are extracted this one, you could click the setup, and the continuation of Windows 11 will continue downloading in your machine. Can we wait a bit? It is now starting, but for me, I've also installed, so I cannot repeat myself. This area where I was saying. So please, when the process completes, it show you the options of Windows 11. But for me, I've also installed, so I cannot repeat myself. So we cannot. Let me stop from there. I think the support of Windows 11 it is very easy. So, for example, if you want to run Android Studio from the machine, it is very efficient, and also it helps you very much. It is faster than the Windows 10. So,